What if I told you that knowing exactly how to get started in real estate with 10K could completely replace 3 expensive tools you're paying for right now? Most people think you need 100 grand just to get your foot in the door. They're wrong. I've spent years testing every low-capital strategy in the book. From REITs to creative financing, I've filtered out the noise to find what actually works in the 2026 market. I've helped hundreds of investors stop dreaming and start acquiring. Today, I'm giving you the complete 2026 blueprint. No fluff, no get-rich-quick schemes, just a step-by-step guide on how to deploy $10,000 to build a passive income stream that actually scales. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your money and how to avoid the rookie mistakes that wipe out small accounts. Let's dive in. Here is the hard truth. In 2026, you can't just walk into a bank with $10,000 and buy a cash-flowing duplex. The market has shifted. But here is the secret. 10K isn't your purchase price, it's your seed capital. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 exact paths to turn that 10K into a real estate empire, depending on how much time you actually have. Path 1, the passive play. If you want zero landlord stress, you start with REITs, real estate investment trusts. Think of this as the index fund of property. You own a slice of malls, warehouses, and apartment complexes without ever picking up a paintbrush. Put $3K of your budget here. It's liquid. It pays dividends, it's your safety net. But if you want higher returns, we move to path 2, crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise or Arrived allow you to pool your money with other investors to buy fractional shares of rental properties. Instead of owning 1% of one house, you own pieces of 10 different assets. This diversifies your risk. I suggest putting another $3K here. You're now earning passive income while you sleep. Now let's talk about the wealth accelerator. Path 3, the active strategy. This is where the real money is made. You have $4K left. You aren't buying the house, you're buying the asterisk deal asterisk. This is called wholesaling or bird dogging. You use that remaining capital for marketing and earnest money deposits. You find a distressed property, lock it under contract, and sell that contract to a cash buyer for a fee. One successful flip of a contract can double your initial 10K in 30 days. Once you've multiplied your capital through wholesaling, you move to the holy grail of 2026, house hacking. Use an FHA loan. These allow for down payments as low as 3.5%. You buy a multi-family home, live in one unit, and let the tenants pay your entire mortgage. You aren't just investing, you've eliminated your biggest expense, housing. That is how you go from 10K to a portfolio of assets without a corporate 9 to 5 holding you back. Now, doing this manually is a nightmare. That's why I use. It automates the boring stuff, like calculating ROI and finding undervalued properties, so you don't have to spend 10 hours a week on a calculator. Since I started using it, I've cut my research time in half and identified 3 off-market deals that were actually profitable. If you want to stop guessing and start investing with precision, I've put a link to in the description. Grab it now and start scaling that 10K. If this guide helped you see a path to wealth in 2026, hit that subscribe button. We drop new passive income strategies every week to help you quit the 9 to 5 faster. Check the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.